Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already have Studio open, so start by opening your place and making a local test copy. Once done, enable Explorer and Properties from the View menu so you can see objects and settings. Next, insert a script into Starter Player scripts. That script will run for each player. You do this because Starter Player scripts scopes movement changes to the client and prevents server lag. Now save and name the script clearly. You'll return to it for precise movement code. You will change walk speed and jump power on the player's humanoid to alter movement quickly. First, wait for the character to load, then get the humanoid and assign values, for example humanoid. Walk speed equals 24 and humanoid. Jump power equals 50. This changes speed and jump directly. Alternatively, replace or modify the control module to remap keys and add sprinting. Make sure to test with Play Solo so the client-side script runs, and you can iterate immediately on values and responsiveness. To finalize, bind your changes to character added so they reapply after respawn. For example, player. Character added connect function, char, end. Once set, ensure you clean up or revert values if needed, especially when disabling the script. If movement doesn't change, make sure no other script, like a server script or third-party module, is overriding walk speed or adding body movers. If still stuck, print debug lines and check the output for errors. That usually reveals conflicts or nil references quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.